Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxslay and I'm back with another press on nail tutorial. These nails were sent to me from Koo.pink. Definitely go ahead and check them out and use my discount code Roxy10 for 10% off your next order. So first things first is I am going to be prepping my own nails before we actually apply the press-ons. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by clipping my nails. I just don't like them to be like super long before I apply my press-ons. So this is optional, but I just think it looks better when you do it this way. So next I am just going to be wiping my nails off just to make sure there's no like excess oils or anything like that. I just want to make sure they're kind of like super clean before I start filing and like buffing my nails. And here I'm just buffing them out. The reason why I do this is because I want my nails to be like super dry in a sense, so that once I apply the glue and everything, the nails just press on really nice. Here I'm just going back in and cutting some nails. Clearly I missed a nail, so that's what I'm doing right here. So I like to use Gorilla Glue along with nail bond. I mix these two together and it just works perfectly for me. Here I'm just opening them up just to kind of get them prepared and ready. Next, I am going to remove some of the nails just to kind of size them, because you want to make sure that they're sized before you actually apply them on. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and just apply it and it doesn't fit, you know. So after I make sure that I size them, making sure that, you know, like it's gonna fit pretty good, I also push my cuticles back with the nail so that it can almost kind of take the same shape of the nail before I apply it on. So that's what you're gonna be seeing me doing here in the next few minutes. So first things first is I apply the nail bond first, and then I'm gonna go in with a light coat of my Gorilla Glue. Make sure your hands are really steady when you're doing this, because if this bad boy gets stuck on there, sometimes it's really hard for you to remove it. So here I am just pressing it on. I like to press on the nails, I mean, for as long as I can, like a minute or so, legit. Like I will squeeze the sides, make sure it's like fully on there, because I don't want them to pop off or come off. My press on nails typically last me about a week to 2 weeks, okay? And I feel like the Gorilla Glue works wonders. And here we are just repeating the steps. Same thing, apply my nail bond, and then I applied my Gorilla Glue, just a light coat because it is really thick. And then I'm just going back in with the nail. Make sure your hand is really steady. And then you just put it on there. Like I said, make sure you're squeezing all the sides. You want this to look as natural as possible, or like you just got a fresh acrylic set somewhere. So yeah, that is really it, you guys. I'm just gonna basically do this to the rest of my nails, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finishing look. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. Absolutely beautiful. I definitely recommend that you go ahead and try them out. They have a lot of beautiful nails. I'll be also doing like a red set and another set from them as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.